Ever feel like your phone controls your life? How to Break Up with Your Phone offers a step-by-step guide to reclaiming your time and attention from the grip of constant phone use. Catherine Price delivers practical advice on reducing screen time, building healthier habits, and living more intentionally in the real world. Let's dive into 4 key ideas that help you establish a healthier relationship with your phone, so you can focus on what truly matters. How to Break Up with Your Phone by Catherine Price. Why is it so hard to put our phones down? The first idea explores how phones are designed to keep us hooked. 1. The science of phone addiction. Phones are engineered to be addictive, with endless scrolling, notifications, and dopamine hits. Social media apps and games use reward systems to keep users engaged, similar to how casinos design slot machines. By understanding this, you can begin to see how much of your behavior is being manipulated. 2. Recognizing the signs of dependency. Many of us don't realize how dependent we are on our phones. If you feel anxiety without your phone or instinctively reach for it in moments of boredom, these are signs of dependency. The first step to breaking the cycle is acknowledging the problem. 3. Breaking free from the dopamine cycle. Phone use often becomes a way to avoid discomfort or negative feelings. Catherine Price suggests that we need to practice enduring discomfort without relying on distractions. Instead of checking your phone every time you feel anxious or bored, practice sitting with those feelings. 4. Understanding your why. Why do you reach for your phone? Is it boredom, loneliness, or the desire to avoid difficult emotions? Identifying your triggers can help you become more intentional about when and why you use your phone. Bit to remember. Phones are engineered to be addictive, and breaking the cycle begins with recognizing dependency, understanding the emotional triggers, and learning to sit with discomfort. What happens when your attention is constantly divided? The second idea highlights how excessive phone use steals your time and focus, and how you can reclaim them. 1. The power of mindfulness. Being mindful about your phone use means becoming aware of how often you pick it up and why. Start by tracking your screen time with apps or using built-in features to understand how much of your day is consumed by phone use. 2. Combating phone-fueled distraction. Constant notifications fragment your attention and reduce productivity. Catherine Price recommends turning off non-essential notifications and setting specific times during the day to check your phone. This helps you regain focus and prevent your phone from controlling your time. 3. Taking back your mornings. One of Price's key strategies is to start your day without your phone. Instead of immediately checking your messages, emails, or social media, spend the first hour of your day doing something phone-free, such as reading, meditating, or exercising. 4. Single-tasking for success. Multitasking, often encouraged by phone use, decreases efficiency. By practicing single-tasking, focusing on one task at a time, you can improve both your productivity and your mental well-being. Phones tend to promote constant switching between tasks, which is mentally exhausting. Bit to remember. Reclaiming your time and focus involves practicing mindfulness, reducing distractions, creating phone-free routines, and focusing on single-tasking. How do you create a healthier relationship with your phone? The third idea focuses on developing intentional, healthy habits to limit phone use. 1. Establish phone-free zones. One of the most effective ways to reduce phone dependence is by designating certain areas of your life as phone-free, such as the bedroom or the dining table. This encourages more meaningful interactions and better sleep. 2. Set time limits. Limit how much time you spend on certain apps by using features that set daily usage caps. Catherine Price suggests setting aside specific times for phone use, such as 30-minute slots for checking social media, so it doesn't bleed into the rest of your day. 3. Practice digital detoxing. A digital detox involves taking extended breaks from your phone, whether it's for a day or even just an hour. Use this time to reconnect with nature, hobbies, or loved ones. Practicing regular digital detoxes can help reset your phone habits and remind you of the joys of living in the moment. 4. Reframe boredom. Often, we reach for our phones to avoid boredom. Price encourages readers to embrace boredom as a space for creativity and reflection. Instead of immediately filling every free moment with your phone, allow yourself to experience boredom and see where your mind takes you. Bit to remember. Building healthier habits with your phone involves creating phone-free zones, setting time limits, practicing digital detoxes, and reframing boredom as an opportunity for creativity. How can putting down your phone improve your relationships? The fourth idea emphasizes the importance of being present with those around you and fostering genuine connections. 1. Prioritize face-to-face interaction. Phones often serve as a barrier between us and real-life connections. The author reminds us to prioritize face-to-face interactions over digital ones. Whether it's sharing a meal with family or engaging in a conversation with a friend, being fully present strengthens relationships. The joy of uninterrupted time. Spending time with loved ones without the distraction of phones leads to deeper connections. Catherine Price encourages creating phone-free social gatherings where everyone can enjoy each other's company without constantly checking their devices. 2. Active listening in conversations. When you're constantly checking your phone during conversations, it sends a message that the other person isn't important. Practicing active listening, where you focus fully on the person speaking, improves communication and shows respect. 3. Build a life beyond your phone. Phones can create a false sense of connection through likes and messages, but real fulfillment comes from the connections you build offline. By spending less time on your phone, you'll have more time for meaningful activities like reading, exercising, or pursuing hobbies. Bit to remember. Embracing real-life connections means prioritizing face-to-face interactions, creating phone-free social time, practicing active listening, and building a fulfilling life outside of your phone.